Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Media. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix error 7 on 3uTools. This error can be a bit frustrating, but don't worry, we're going to get through it step by step. So, first things first, open up your 3uTools application. Take your time, and when you're ready, go to Settings and find Bind Apple ID. Now, enter your email and password click Bind. At this point, if you see an error message pop up, it's okay. Just click OK to close it. Next, let's check for updates. Go to the Update section and click on Check for Updates. If an update is available, click Update to begin the process. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest helpful videos. After the update has finished downloading, go to your Downloads folder and open the file you just downloaded. Click Install, then click Agree. Next, click Install again. Now it asks you to uninstall the previous version. Click Uninstall and then click OK. Now, let the installation complete. This might take a few moments, so just be patient. Once that's done, open 3uTools again and go back to Settings. Again, select Bind Apple ID, enter your email and password, and click Bind. Now, enter the 6-digit verification code that has been sent to your Apple device. Click OK. And there you go. You should see that your Apple ID is now successfully bound and error 7 is resolved. Click OK. Click OK. Go to Apps. Here, you can find any applications or games you want. Just use the categories or the search bar to find it. For example, if we want to search for Facebook, just type Facebook here and hit Enter. Facebook has already been installed on this device. Go to Top Rank or search for any other application to install. Click Install, and here's the download section. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips here on Tech Media. Thanks for watching.